everyone. Good evening, Shravan sir, and good morning, everyone. Today it's my pleasure to welcome you all to this Top Talk. Today we have our dearest Shivani Akka, Vivikta, and Tarun as top speakers. So let us begin the Top Talk with invocation by Nishita. Go on.
Good morning, everyone. This is who we are. We are a team, talented, energetic, organizing mindsets. We can do anything and everything. We talk, we care, we respect each other. We see beauty in everyone and everything. We are connected by hearts and driven by values. We celebrate each other. We provide value to others. We take ownership in everything. We have freedom to make mistakes. We learn as we go. We are mad to make a difference. We love disruptive ideas. We make impossible things possible. We are strong to question the creation. We believe in dreaming big. If we do not dare to dream big, are we really living? Why be ordinary when we can be extraordinary? This is who we are. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishita. Now let us get into the session. We have Shivani Akka, Vivikta, and Tarun today. Shivani Akka is going to tell us about the importance of gratitude. So it is over to you, Shivani Akka.
Thank you, Apurva, for the beautiful introduction. Good morning, everyone. Power of gratitude. What is gratitude? It is a great attitude which we use uh, to thank the people around us or anything around us. So, in my childhood, I just used this word to just in my conversation. I don't know much about this. When someone helps me, I should say thank you, and if I want something, I should say please, and if I do a mistake, I should say sorry. These are the three things which were used as my things in a daily conversation. I don't know much about gratitude. So when i when I knew the importance of gratitude, when I got introduced to this, I saw the power in it. Shravan sir used to tell about how he applied gratitude in his life, in his workplace, which impacted many people. And this has started the journey of gratitude. How it started. I got introduced to gratitude by Shravan sir. Like the feeling of gratitude, the word was already there, but the feeling got introduced by Shravan sir. And uh, a video was posted in which a businessman used to send 3,000 cards in a year to a person, like to many people. And slowly we started making gratitude cards. And when they started, we I started thinking of making good things, like thinking good things about others. When we have to make a gratitude card, I should know about that person, right? I should know them. I should see the beauty in them. Uh, I should always think of good things and all. To mention, to celebrate their success, to congratulate them on their accomplishments and all. And when this happened, I really started seeing beauty in others. I saw like the power of appreciating others, and I applied this gratitude wala thing in my home. Uh, to like it was a mm, to my mother, father, and sister. Whenever my mother cooked something, I used to say, "Wow, mom, you have cooked very well," and uh, "Wow, you are looking good in this sari and all." My mother used to feel good. And again, my father, if he does something, I used to say, "Wow, you are doing good." And same with my sister. So when I started doing this, I felt good. I felt like lighter. So this is what gratitude does. When we feel grateful, there are hormones called serotonin and uh, dopamine, which releases, which makes us feel good. It is called feeling good wala thing. So when this happened, it became my habit. Gratitude has become my habit. If you ask me, what are your habits? I would say singing, writing, and making gratitude cards. So every day I do this to make myself feel lighter, to uh, to create happiness in and around us, around me. One day, I like when I started this, I made a gratitude card, and in one day I have made around more than 20 cards. Like I wrote their names, and I started talking to them, because to write about them, I should know them, right? So I started talking to them. I just kept a default thing that I should see only the good things, only the beauty in them. And this made me uh, like this uh, had like impacted me, and a strong belief got planted into me. That is that everyone are unique. Everyone in their lives have something in them, something special in them, which for which they are being recognized, and I should see that. We all should see beauty in ourselves and each other. This is what we our tagline is. So it changed my life. How it changed my life? Because I stopped complaining, I stopped criticizing others, I started seeing beauty. I i started talking with my heart, and whenever I use it to appreciate, I only tell the truth. Like, I only see what is there, and I have to appreciate that. And don't ever make up things to appreciate someone. There would be something in everyone that is to be appreciated, and use that. Don't make up things. So another thing about this gratitude is, I have seen people changing through gratitude. I will share one of the experiences. In my school, there was a girl, for like with her, like she was my best friend. And later, after a few days, uh, we got like some misunderstanding happened, and we stopped talking to each other. It foolish wala thing in those days. Then uh, after I, like, when I wrote those names, I also wrote her name. I remember her. So I just remembered that I should write something about her. I should send her a gratitude card saying, you have created beautiful moments at some point of time in my life, and I appreciate that. And I wrote that, and somehow I got her contact, as universe conspires. So I sent her, and she said, um, thank you, Shivani. It is so sweet of you, and sorry for what I have did to you. You remember what we have did, and I am foolish that I didn't approach you. So now she calls me every month, and we are going good. So this is how I have seen people changing through gratitude. Yeah. So being grateful for whatever you have, whatever. Don't feel like I don't have this, I don't have that. Be grateful with what you have, because people around you may have, may not have what you have. So appreciate So first, know yourself and appreciate yourself, and be grateful for what you have, what you are. Mm, like if a person is good in max and I am not good in max, I have to see that they are good in max and I am good at something. I am good at making jokes. I am good at smiling, like that. Don't compare yourself with others. Be grateful for what you are. And I also remember this quote of mine, that be happy with what you have. People are struggling a lot to have it. So yeah, appreciating someone, and through these cards, every one of us are creating abundant of happiness. It has no measure of how we are, uh, like how we can measure it, but there is this happiness which we are creating in our lives. And this is the thing, universe law of attraction. Yeah. uh, so there is a book called The Secret and The Magic. Okay, these are two books, and these are one of my favorites books, two of my favorite books. So for those who don't know law of attraction, let me tell you, law of attraction is something that if you want something so badly, you will get it. You will get it for sure. గట్టిగా అనుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది అంటారు కదా. So that is. So how universe conspires if you are grateful. So I want to relate that. So if you are grateful for what you have, what you are doing, or whatever else is happening in your life, and you want something in your life, so when you do this, you are attracting good things. If you are thinking good, you are attracting good. So when you attract good, uh, universe feels that this is good person, like she is a good person, or uh, she is appreciating what she has. She is really happy with what she had. So we have to give her more. So we will get. So if you are grateful, you will get more. Uh, so yeah. Uh, to tell more about law of attraction. So if you go to a shop, like if suppose you have went to a tiffin shop and you ordered a dosha, and if you say I want dosha, you will get dosha. And if you specify what you want, if you say I want this masala dosha, I want onions in it, I want some butter and all, you will get what you ask. So be specific with what you want. Tell the universe that I want this, I want, like, give specific things. um I have applied this law of attraction in my life, and it came true. So let me give an example of this. And uh, I wanted a dress. I saw somewhere and I wanted it, and that color, and I wrote it. I wrote it that I want this color of dress, this design, this I want the full hands and all. I wrote it, and after some days, I found it, and this is the dress which I am wearing now. So this is what happens with, if you are specific with what you want. This is called law of attraction. Be grateful with what you have, with whatever you think, and it will happen. And yeah, so this is, every time I end with this, and this is one of the poems which I love a lot, and I have seen it in my ninth class. This is, let me read it. This is by unknown author. Be thankful. Be thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. If you did, what would there be to look forward to? Be thankful when you don't know something, for it gives you the opportunity to learn. Be thankful for the difficult times, During those times, you grow. Be thankful for your limitations because they give you opportunities for improvement. Be thankful for your mistakes, they will teach you valuable lessons. Be thankful when you are tired and weary because it means you have made a difference. It is easy to be thankful for the good things. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks. Find a way to be thankful for your troubles, and they can become your blessings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akka. That was amazing. We all know Shivani Akka always enthralls us with her powerful words. She is known for her caring and affectionate attitude. She inspires everyone with her, to develop that attitude of gratitude and also maintain that all over. So, and like you said, yes, Akka, gratitude is an emotion which gives us happiness, which tends to last long. So thank you so much. It's our time to be grateful, and we are lucky to have you. Thank you so much, Akka.